Looking to boost your side hustle or expand your business? Discover these 25 amazing machines on Amazon that can help you make money from home. From crafting to commercial use, there's something here for every entrepreneur. First machine, shoe repair machine. Check out this amazing shoe repair machine. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's strong, compact, and operates quietly, perfect for small business. It's manually operated, giving you precise control to pause and start anytime. And it can reach areas other machines can't. Easy to assemble with the provided instructions. Just add some lubricating oil and you'll be sewing smoothly. Use nylon or cotton threads to sew various materials like leather shoes, rubber shoes, sports shoes, high heels, cloth shoes, raincoats, leather bags, pants, and more. Plus, our industrial sewing machine comes with a guarantee. Second machine, electric business card cutting machine. The Clofo electric business card cutting machine is a must-have for professional-looking cards. It features a sharp, durable cutter, a position adjustment switch, and a 20-watt motor for high efficiency. Quiet and versatile, it's ideal for business cards, invitations, and more. Available for $156.67. It's a powerful tool for both home and office use. Third machine, Phomemo M110 Label Maker. The Phomemo M110 Label Maker is your portable solution for labeling needs. Connect via Bluetooth to your smartphone and enjoy quick, efficient printing for price tags, logos, and more. This thermal label printer is compact and versatile, supporting various label styles. Perfect for home or office, it's available in orange for $51.67. Fourth machine, automatic tablet coating machine. Enhance your production with the UIBAO automatic tablet coating machine. This stainless steel machine is perfect for candy, pills, and nut coating. It features low energy consumption, efficient heat dissipation, and a smooth, easy-to-clean surface. Ideal for commercial and home use, it ensures constant temperature drying without damaging raw materials, offering reliable performance. Fifth machine, commercial ice maker. Meet your ice needs with the Hot Hope Commercial Ice Maker. This $1,099.99 stainless steel machine produces 250 pounds of ice in 24 hours and stores up to 77 pounds. With a smart LCD panel, efficient compressor, and energy-saving design, it's perfect for businesses and homes. It even includes a water filter and scoop for convenience. Sixth machine, powder filling machine. The Van Loken powder filling machine, priced at $243.98, is perfect for filling dry powders like flour, beans, and glitter. This automatic dispenser features precise weighing, sensor induction, and foot pedal control. Easy to clean and adjust, it offers reliable performance for small-scale production with a 2-year warranty and free spare parts. Seventh machine, Tufting Gun Starter Kit. Craft with ease using the Tufting Gun Starter Kit, priced at $72.95. This versatile tool offers both cut pile and loop pile tufting, making it perfect for creating unique rugs. Ideal for beginners and pros, it includes a carpet trimmer and is designed for crafting studios and social media creators looking to add a creative touch. Eighth machine, candy vending machine. Add fun to your space with the Halascume candy vending machine. This 17.3-inch gumball dispenser can hold up to 10 pounds of candy or 170 capsule toys. Made from durable materials, it's perfect for the home, gaming stores, and parties. Easy to use with a 25-cent coin mechanism and 2 keys for secure access. Ninth machine, single-head automatic liquid bottle tube filling machine. Effortlessly fill liquids with the Zone Pack single-head automatic liquid filling machine. Ideal for perfumes, oils, and juices. This $3 Big Flow machine offers adjustable height and digital control for precise filling. Features include a waterproof conveyor, automatic production, and compatibility with various bottle sizes, making it perfect for the catering and beverage industries. 10th machine, upgraded manual labeling machine. Streamline your labeling process with the Zone Pack upgraded manual labeling machine, available for $142.45. Perfect for round bottles, it features a compact design, an adjustable holder, and an additional pressing bar for a wrinkle-free finish. Ideal for the cosmetics, beverage, and food industries, this desktop machine boosts production efficiency without needing power. 11th machine, Paragon Theater Pop 8-ounce Popcorn Machine. Bring the movie theater experience home with the Paragon Theater Popcorn Machine for $641.60. This 8-ounce capacity machine, featuring a bright red cabinet and classic graphics, can produce up to 147 servings per hour. Made of stainless steel, tempered glass, and aluminum, it includes a side hinge kettle, warming deck, and old maid drawer. Ideal for commercial use. 12th machine, Vivor Money Counter Machine. The Vivor Money Counter Machine is a reliable tool for businesses, ensuring security with its 7 counterfeit detection methods. It counts up to 1,000 bills per minute, reducing manual work and errors. With multiple counting modes and a dual display, it's efficient and user-friendly. This essential tool for small businesses is priced at $64.22. 13th machine, Consumer Aluminum Can Sealer. Streamline your beverage production with the MVCKYI Automatic Can Sealer. This 81-pound stainless steel machine seals 10 to 20 cans per minute and is perfect for juices, soda, and beer. It features an intelligent control panel, adjustable height, and a durable seam roller. Ideal for commercial use, it ensures efficient, reliable concealing for your business. 14th machine, Cybo 12-Cup Commercial Coffee Maker. The Cybo 12-Cup Commercial Coffee Maker is perfect for busy environments. It features 3 lower warmers and 3 glass decanters, ensuring a continuous supply of hot coffee. Easy to use with no plumbing required, it brews a full pot in under 10 minutes. With a drip-free carafe design and a multi-stream spray head for optimal flavor extraction, it's priced at $329. 15th machine, Rose Printer T8 Smartphone App, Controlled DIY Pictures, Flower Printer. The Taehong Mai Rose Printer T8 is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It features a 7-inch HD screen for easy one-touch printing and AI nail face recognition for precise designs. Connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and print your favorite images on nails. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for nail salons, events, and personal use. Priced at $1,956.60, it offers professional quality prints. 16th machine, Yunshine Hot Foil Press Stamping Machine. The Yunshine Hot Foil Press Stamping Machine is great for creating stunning designs on paper, leather, and more. It features advanced temperature control up to 350 degrees Celsius, a pneumatically conveyed gold paper structure, and a digital display. This versatile machine is perfect for business cards, crafts, and stationery. Available for $319.99, it ensures precise and professional results. 17th machine, Vivor Semi-Automatic Cup Sealing Machine. Boost efficiency with the Vivor Semi-Automatic Cup Sealing Machine, priced at $289.99. This sturdy carbon steel machine seals 300 to 500 cups per hour, making it perfect for busy tea shops. It features a digital control panel, adjustable sealing time and temperature, and compatibility with 90 or 95 PE, PP, and PET cups. Reliable and durable for commercial use. 18th machine, Best Equip Induction Sealer. Ensure secure bottle sealing with the Best Equip Induction Sealer for $105.99. This 500-watt machine seals bottles with caps ranging from 20 mm to 100 mm using electromagnetic induction heating. It features a digital control panel, power-off memory, and automatic overheating protection. Suitable for plastic and glass bottles, it's perfect for the food and beverage industries. 19th machine, Master Airbrush Cake Decorating System. Enhance your cake decorating with the Master Airbrush Cake Decorating System. This kit includes 2 airbrushes, a powerful compressor, and 12 Chef Master food colors. Ideal for beginners and pros, it offers dual cooling fans and a quick start guide. Perfect for creating vibrant, detailed designs on cakes and cupcakes. Priced at $319.99, it's a must-have for baking enthusiasts. 20th machine, Vivor Electric Oil Press Machine. Extract pure oil effortlessly with the Vevor electric oil press machine for $234.99. Featuring a 700-watt motor, this stainless steel machine presses 3.3 pounds of oil per hour at a constant temperature of 140 degrees Celsius. Ideal for peanuts, sesame seeds, and more, it ensures efficient oil extraction and easy cleaning, making it perfect for home or commercial use. 21st machine, Vevor Paste Liquid Filling Machine. Meet all your filling needs with the Vevor Paste Liquid Filling Machine for $257.33. It offers precise quantification with a digital control panel and a robust diaphragm pump delivering a flow rate of 17 liters per minute. Perfect for oils, detergents, and shampoos, it accommodates various container sizes and includes a convenient foot pedal switch for hassle-free operation. 22nd machine, Tow Auto Commercial Wax Melter. The Tow Auto Commercial Wax Melter is designed for mass candle production. It melts 15 quarts of wax to make up to 60 candles at once. With a temperature control dial ranging from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it accommodates various wax types. The unique spout design ensures minimal waste. Perfect for professional candle makers, it's priced at $312.99 and speeds up production significantly. 23rd machine, Vevor Hot Dog Roller. The Vevor Hot Dog Roller, with its 11 stainless steel rollers, can cook up to 30 hot dogs at once. It features dual temperature control for separate front and back roller settings, ensuring perfect cooking and warming. The 360-degree rotation guarantees even cooking. This 1800-watt machine is easy to clean with a removable drip tray and tempered glass hood. Ideal for commercial use, it's priced at $209.99. 24th machine, Vevor Button Maker. Get creative with the Vevor Button Maker, now $89.99. This 3-in-1 pin maker crafts badges in 25 or 32 or 58 sizes, perfect for gifts and DIY projects. It includes ergonomic handles, a precise alignment system, and a comprehensive accessory set. Enjoy crafting with Mr. Panda patterns and blank pages for custom designs, making it ideal for kids and adults. 25th machine, Vevor Chamber Vacuum Sealer. The Vevor Chamber Vacuum Sealer extends the freshness of your food. With a 6.5 cubic meter per hour pump rate and a max sealing size of 13 times 9.8 inches, it's efficient and reliable. The digital control panel and stainless steel construction ensure durability and ease of use. Perfect for both home and commercial use, it's available for $312.99, making food preservation easy and effective. Thanks for watching. Which machine would you add to your money-making toolkit? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more great content. Check out our other videos for more awesome ideas.